Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, let's try adding code to the header and footer of WordPress websites using MB views. Sometimes, you may want to add code to the header and footer. Maybe to integrate your websites with external services, like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and Facebook Pixel. By default, you should add code to the theme directly. But it is not an optimal option. There are some plugins or third-party services that can help to do that indirectly. Then the code will be not affected when you change the theme, as well as be managed more easily. And MB Views is one of those plugins. It will come handy, especially when you have MetaBox on your site. For the header and footer, MB View supports these two actions. So, your work is just inserting the code to the view, use the action, and everything will be done. Let's check the tools we need in this practice. First, we need MetaBox to have the framework for using MB views. You can download it directly from WordPress.org. As I mentioned before, we also need MB views to add code to the header and footer. It is an extension from MetaBox, which allows you to get MetaBox fields and build your templates on the front end fast and easily. But you also can use it as a tool to add code to your theme. If you have the MetaBox all-in-one, please notice that it's also included in the package. In this tutorial, I'm giving some examples to add code to the header and footer, including adding or changing the content in the header or footer, add Google Analytics, and Google Tag Manager scripts. Let's start. Go to Views in MetaBox and create a new view. Add any code you want to declare, get data, style, anything else, in these tabs. For example, in the Template tab, I add some code like this. This line of code is to add a description for the meta tag with this content. I also use CSS to style the menu in the header a little bit. In the JavaScript tab, I add a line to display a notification. Now, scroll down to the Settings section. To add all above code to the header or footer, we should set the type for this view as action. Then, name the action here. After publishing, you'll see the alert on the front end. And the menu on the header also turns to red. Do the same with the footer. Add code to the template. Also can use CSS and JavaScript. Then, instead of using the action for the header, just use this one to apply the code to the footer of the website. Go to the page on front end. There is a notification here, since I also added it in the JavaScript tab. Now, look at the footer. There is a text section in black that I added. For a clearer look, let's add the code to connect with external services. I'll link the header with Google Analytics as an example. Not only changing the content and styling something on your pages, you also can use the MB views to add scripts from third parties such as Google, Facebook, Hotjar, and so on. For Google Analytics, after getting the code Snippet from your Google account, go back to your site, look for the MetaBox menu, then Views, and create a new view as well. Paste the script to the JavaScript tab. Then set the type of the view as action, and name the action as WP head to add the script to the header of the page. That's done. Do likewise with the Google Tag Manager code Snippet. Get it from your Google account. Then go to create a new view on your site. Add the script to the JavaScript. And use the WP head action. So, we've finished adding some kind of things and script to the header and footer on a WordPress website. What do you think about the action of MB views? In the case you want to try other applications of this extension, please find them on this channel in the playlist of MB views. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.